We are doing, as I said, Naruto Ramen today, and the combo is already ready, which is seaweed. The bamboos are already cooked. I opened the tin without a tin opener, so I'm savage. Okay. Okay. So before the ramen becomes hard, we will fill in some broth, and I think one portion is then already finished. Thank you for the follow. So now it comes to the decoration. Now it comes to the decoration. Oop. Uh, which will be the hardest part. So you have some kombu. Then you will have some bamboo shoots. Then you have the Naruto, the obligatory one. Then you have some shrooms. And then the tamanegi in the middle. Makes it look awesome. And green. Usually you might have an egg. Thank you for the follow. Now we put some of this one over here. So the first potion of the Naruto ramen is actually finished. Looks like that. Now you have everything you want on it. I hope you can see. Can see it like this? Yeah, you can. Like that. So first portion of Naruto ramen is finished. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow again. And what I want to say is, okay, yeah, the pepper. I always need some pepper. Second portion will take a while, I guess. Yeah. Die typische Naruto-Zwiebel fehlt, also wie die geschnitten wurde? Na nie. Ich weiß nicht, was du meinst, aber da ist doch Naruto. Ganz offensichtlich in der Ecke. Wie du sehen kannst. Da. Da schwimmt Naruto in deiner Suppe rum. Und wir werden das Ganze noch toppen. Und zwar mit unseren wundervollen Karage. Oh, holy fuck, das wird jetzt heiß. Ah! Tja. I don't know how to take pictures of two pots. It's too big. Your portion is definitely bigger, Devs. It's huge. Oh, it looks really good from the top. Holy fuck. I need to take like a queer picture like for YouTube basically. It's kind of hard to take for YouTube to be honest. I need to put the mic down to my knife now. I hope you still can hear me because I don't know. Mm. Holy mama. Internet pig is gone. Oh no. My raw meme deck is gone. Untasty. It's just tasty. Oh my god. It's crunchy. Mmm. I love karage.